Yo, it's like 20 minutes before market open. Um, just another what is it, pre-market bias or pre-market analysis. Yeah. Okay. Uh, I'm bullish today, just simply because we're respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish right here. We have relative equal highs, buy side and all-time highs resting above. Um, no SMTs yet, at least, but the same thing here. Only thing that's like causing me to have some type of wonkiness is respecting bearish right here, but we're also respecting bullish down here and then disrespecting bearish here. So, I mean, it's gonna be a wonky day for sure. It's been a wonky week. Let's see. We have this. It got inversed, but like it's getting tapped back in. I mean, like there's a bunch of different things, right? Um, like yeah, disrespecting bearish. Expecting bullish here. So I mean, I'm just bearish, looking for longs. Maybe see us come down, take out this internal low, and then rally higher to get out of this accumulation zone, taking out relative equal highs, buy side and all-time highs. Maybe we also have just straight up equal highs up in ES, which is a very strong draw on liquidity. So I don't know. I'm just gonna play patient, take my setup. Whatever happens, happens, and I'll let you know if I win, lose, break even, don't trade, whatever. All right. Oh man, what a loss, guys. Pretty bad day. Not bad day because I lost, but I mean I follow my rules, remained patient, stayed consistent. I didn't take anything I wouldn't normally take. I took a regular setup. But I took a loss, so let's dive into it. I was obviously bullish, as you can see from my pre-market analysis. We had this fair value gap right here. We also had this fair value gap that I didn't even realize that we were respecting. Inversed. It got inversed, and we tapped into it, filled it. Okay. Right there. And then the 15-minute fair value gap get respected as well. So we're delivering. We took up. We went. I'm sorry. We didn't get what we wanted. What I wanted, which was just to trade down and then shoot back up. We traded up and then away from all-time highs, which was good because I was like, okay, well, that leaves opportunities. There can be unmitigated gaps, things to target, more targets, more generated liquidity to target up. We took out buy side and relative equal highs. I think we put in an SMT. Yeah, because we never took out the buy side. But all in all, like my trade idea was definitely there. I like my trade idea. I think the stop loss placement could have been better, so it was more like a B plus, A minus type of setup. But I'll tell you why I took it. So obviously I told you we're trading up all-time highs. We could have just taken all-time highs and I would have popped off. Because like, well, there goes all my draws and liquidity. So, but we left all-time highs. So I was like, ooh. We have a liquidity pool above or right below all-time highs and then all-time highs. Generated liquidity to the upside. We traded into the 15-minute fair value gap, hourly fair value gap. Well, we tapped into the 15-minute, left this low right here, and then we traded away from it, tapped into the hourly fair value gap, swept the internal low, and from there we start seeing inversions to the upside, and that's when I was like, all right, now's my time to shine. I didn't take this 1 minute because it wasn't the highest time frame at the time. I think at the time, I forget, there's just 3 minute that got inversed, but all my entries were skewed, freaking skewed. This one, if I would have wanted to take it here, this just shot up straight up like immediately. So I was like, bruh, we were expecting this for a minute, and then we tap into this was it 2 minute? 2 minute, and then in my head I'm like, okay, well, let's get a good closure above this bearish candle just to confirm. We edge it and then shoot up to my original break even. So like if I would have actually taken a trade over here, would have, my gosh, a 100 point stop loss, huh? Boom, targeting all-time highs. Would have been like a 3-hour trade. I would have went break even right here. Would have been a beautiful day. Beautiful break even day. But I didn't take this. And I'm not mad about it because, I mean, obviously we had a lot of generated liquidity. And so with my entry, I just waited for this 1 minute to get inversed. And as soon as we did, this I entered a little late actually, but break even at this high, intermediate high, which is honestly a good trade. Sure, my stop loss could have been a little lower. We had a big fat wick right here, probably like the CE of the wick. Would have got edged with this what's it called, fair value gap. But honestly, pretty good trade idea. I like this idea. We were definitely trying to be bullish. I mean, we flip bearish. The model is obviously going to fail every once in a while, but I would definitely take this trade again. I've taken trades like this before, so I'm just following my rules, and, you know, glory be to God, I'm still here, you know. I only lost like I lost less than 1%, like less than 0.5, so honestly, a good trade. It kind of sucks, though. I'm a little hungry, and I just started this fast with my friend Raul. He's complaining. I haven't complained once. It's actually not that hard to fast or like eat less. It all comes down to discipline. And my mom last night made good food, but I'm not eating because, I mean, discipline. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is. I mean, it was a good trade in my opinion. If you disagree, let me know why. I mean, I don't see short potential. Like, let me go back to the charts. Besides, like, this for value getting respected. And then, like, bang. Or, no. I'm tweaking out. Not that. This. Equilibrium getting respected with a 1 minute for value gap. Not even the highest time frame, I think. Yeah, 2 minute. There's a 5 minute? No. Probably a 3 minute? Yeah, 3 minute gets respected. And then we have, I mean, respect, but we're obviously, like, dude, we left all-time highs. I don't want to trade against all-time highs. That's such a strong draw on liquidity, and there's equal highs resting above. Yeah, just a pretty wonky day. Ended the week off red, but, I mean, I'm not too mad about it. Took my setup, so. That's all I got for today, guys. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? I'll catch y'all Monday for sure. Peace out. God bless. Stay safe this weekend. See y'all.